Are you getting the "we couldn't sign you in to Xbox Live" error while launching Forza Horizon 6 on PC? This issue can prevent you from accessing online features, syncing saves, or playing the game. Here are the first. Open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window to paste it. Press Enter. Copy the second command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell window to paste it. Press Enter. Press Get. Press Yes. Wait for Gaming Services to be installed. Now run your game. First, open the Start menu. Open the Xbox app. Click on your profile icon. Select Support. Click on Gaming Services Repair tool. Press Start Repairing. Press Yes. Wait for the Xbox app to be repaired. Now close the Repair tool.